Hey, this is Danielle, and today we're going to make a no human sign for our guinea pig and rabbit cage. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe for more guinea pig and rabbit projects.
Hey, this is Danielle, and today I am making a sign for my 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞 guinea pig Hutch and rabbit Hutch. So I have a small animal assisted therapy practice, so this is really kind of more relevant to this, but these same vinyl should work if you want to do other types of decorations. So what I've got going on is I'm making a sign that this says no humans allowed for the front door of the hutch. The idea is the animals can go in there, that's their safe spot, that no one can go in and grab them or invade, because that's their personal space, and it's a good lesson for kids to learn. So obviously we go in there to clean everything, but that's just, you know, normal care for the animals separately. So I'm making a sign that just reminds people, just don't go in here because it's their safe space. So I am going to show you what we're going to do. It's pretty simple, just cutting some vinyl with my Cricut machine, and we will see. Okay, so I choose to use smart vinyl, and that's because I'm lazy and don't like to put stuff on mats if I can avoid it. So I've loaded this in. You can see it's loaded. I can click go. I've got the design loaded. I will try to share that in my post and video so you can access that. And we are just going to let this cut. We do not mirror the image. This is not iron-on, it is permanent vinyl, so it'll stick outdoors even if it's rainy and icky out. I've had pretty good luck with outdoor vinyl. Depends on where you're at, but this is a shady area, so it won't get a lot of sun, and where I don't think black and white's very prone to fading, so should be good. So here we go. I'm just going to let the machine do its work. I've got black as well to cut for the no sign, you know, the little no smoking, like cross out sign thing. And I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to cut the black now. Now, the only thing I realized afterwards, I wasn't really thinking about it earlier, but I probably would have made my design a little smaller because the designs are cutting one on top of the other because they couldn't fit across the width. So I could have saved some vinyl if I had just done them side by side and made it a little smaller, but it is what it is. It's fine. So, yeah. Okay, so I've gone and weeded my design, which just means I scrape away any part of the design that isn't part of it. So as you can see, all the pieces are gone, including the middles of the letters. And I've got my no sign too. So I'm going to transfer this. I'm going to transfer this part first, and then I transfer this on top of it. So I'm going to use something called transfer paper for that. It's really transfer tape, but yeah.
Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to lay your transfer tape on top of your design, your white piece, and you're going to peel off the backing for the white stuff. That will allow you to stick the thing directly onto your plastic hutch door. You're going to repeat the process with the black design, layering the black over the white design, just like a no sign over the people. So this is pretty simple, and this is all there is to it. You're just going to want to press that design into the plastic. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. I really like how it looks. I've had a few compliments on this already. Everyone seems to think it's pretty funny, so I am enjoying it.
Okay, so here's this one. Let's smooth some of this down a little bit, but I'm liking it. There we go.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and check out my blog, DIYDanielle.com, for more information about this project. Take care. Have a great day.